Hello, here is Osama Hamid, Emerald Real Estate Consulting Investment Company. Today we will explain to you a resort from the best resorts on Hurghada. This resort is La Bella Resort. It's located between the fast road of Hurghada and touristic walking road. And touristic walking road is including or contains a lot of hotels. Let's go and see the video and explain some information about the area and information about the resort. Let's do it. Now we can explain some information about the resort. The resort is built on a land 6,000 square meters between fast road and touristic walking. We have a shopping center on the fast road. This shopping center with so much activities from pharmacy, supermarket, and other activities for the resort. We have also spa and gym. We have also restaurant, cafe, 3 swimming pool with landscape. Also a room for security and cameras controllers, hotel management, housekeeping, outdoor. Also we have a service for cleaning inside the rooms. And we have rental guarantee and also resale for all the service of the buyer or our client. We also, all the apartments is finishing super lux. Some apartments sea view, some apartments is pool view, and some apartments is touristic walking view or fast road view. Installment in 4 years with 25% down payment. And all the installment every 3 months. Let's go and call with us, Osama Hamid, Emerald Real Estate Consulting and Investment Company, 010-977-37347, 012-8949-1098. Thank you very much for your attention and waiting for your calling.